Biggest mistakes when buying new construction? Buying a house without a realtor. It is like stepping into a courtroom without an attorney. Even lawyers don't represent themselves in court. Understanding the value of expert guidance in the real estate transaction is crucial. The risk of going it alone are significant and could lead to costly mistakes. Don't take a chance with one of the most important investments of your life. Partnering with a seasoned realtor like Keith Christ will give you access to a wealth of local market knowledge and expert negotiation skill. Keith Christ at Epic Realty is a trusted name in the industry, known for his ability to secure the best deals and navigate complex transactions. With Keith, you can confidently explore all the builders' financial incentives as well as other builders for the best deal. Let us turn your dream home into a reality. Call 630-673-0306 and get your dream home.